All right, guys, today we're going to work on solving some three variable systems that look like that right there. Before we've done elimination, we've done substitution, we've graphed these things to solve them, the two variable ones. Now we're going to try the three, and instead of like doing the long elimination on three variables, I'm going to show you a quick shortcut you can use on the calculator to solve these things, and it's really helpful in your ACT if you're going to take it pretty soon. So watch these steps really carefully. It's really all we're doing in class tomorrow is working on this calculator step. So let me show you real quick. Let's see if I can make the screen split here. There we go. Looks good. Okay, here's our system. 2x minus 3y minus y plus 3 is equals 8. Second equation, third equation. What I'm going to do is I want to go into matrix on my calculator. On matrix, if you look at my cursor here, it's right above the x negative 1 button. So I'm going to go second matrix right there. And I'm going to use matrix A, and I'm going to go over to edit. So I'm going to use my right arrow key, go to edit, and hit enter. And what I've got to do now is give it dimensions, which is what we did earlier this week. I'm going to look at this system over here. It's got 3 rows with it. It's got 4 columns. So I'm going to call it a 3 by 4. So I'm going 3, enter, 4, enter. And if you look up top right there, it gives me a bunch of zeros. It gives me a 3 by 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the numbers in straight across as I see them. I'm going to go 2. I'm putting in coefficients. 2, enter, negative 1, hit enter every time. 3, enter, 8, enter. And that's the first equation. I'm going to go to the second equation. 1, enter, 3, enter, negative 2, enter, and 4, enter. And now the last equation, 4, enter, 3, enter, negative 3, enter, and 8. And if you happen to mess up a number, you can always just use your arrow keys and go back to that number, just type right over it again. So I have all the coefficients into my matrix. You kind of got to think about this being the equal sign right here, in between there. And don't forget what this is. This column represents the x's, the y's, that's the z's. Those are what we call the constant, or what you would call the answers on the other side. Now, to work it out, this is going to sound weird, but I'm going to quit. I'm going to second quit. That saves the matrix for me. Then I'm going to go back to matrix, go to math, because I want to find something that will work it out. And here's the weird part. It's not what you think it is. You got to scroll. I'll scroll up, actually. You can scroll way down until you find RREF, which is B. You want to stop on B, which I went too far. RREF. It stands for Reduced Row Echelon Form. That's what it actually stands for. But it's going to solve this thing for us. So just hit enter. It pops up RREF. Now, here's what you need to do. One extra step. You got to tell it which matrix we use. So I'm going to go back to matrix one more time. We use matrix A. It's already highlighted. Just hit enter. And now it says RREF matrix A, which is what I want to do. I'm going to hit enter, and there it is. Now that 1 represents 1x, so it says 1x is 2, 1y is 2, 1z is 2. I actually made this system up, so 222 is the answer. So the answer is over here in the right-hand column where it says 222. So on your paper, what you would do is you would come down here, and instead of an answer being an ordered pair, it's actually called an ordered triple. So it'd be like 2, 2, 2. And it's not going to work out that nicely every time, but it does work. It's that easy. So you may want to watch that one more time. Short video here just to get those steps again. Again, it's all in matrix. Matrix. Let me go through one more time just really quickly with the steps. Go second matrix. Go to edit. Hit enter. Matrix A. Type in your numbers. It's always going to be 3 by 4. After you do that, go to second quit. And then go back to matrix again. Go to math. And you're going to go all the way down to RREF, or all the way up to RREF. It's letter B, I think it was. I think I probably just went too far. Yep. Come on. Go to B, hit enter, or just, hit the wrong one there. Second matrix, again, sorry about that. Math, go to, I'm going up this time, RREF, which is B. Hit enter. And then you got to tell it which matrix again, which I use matrix A. Boom. And then hit enter. And there it is. The last column is always your answer. Okay, so basically did the same one twice. Hopefully that helped a little bit. You might want to practice it with the video. Make sure you got it. And I'll see you in class tomorrow. If I can get out of here, I will do that. And I will see you then.